Keep your feet hip width apart, join a palm in front of the chest, lower your hips down, keep your forearms parallel, keep your spine straight upright, and slowly come up and exhale. Raise both the hands up, breathe in, breathe out to forward bend, grab a toe, bring your chest closer to the knee. If you can't able to grab a toe, you can hold your pants and bring your chest lower to your knees. Raise the hands up, inhale, and exhale, hand next to them. Fold your both the knees, bring your thigh towards the chest, interlock your finger, press your knee towards the chest, breathe in, lift your chin up towards the knee and stay there. If your neck hurts in this position, lower your neck down and stay in that same position. Lower your hands down, lower the legs and straight. Chin on the ground, palm next to the chest, breathe in, lift your chin up, chest up and upper body up and stay there. Slowly exhale, go down. Chin on the ground, fold your right knee, hold your ankle, fold your left knee, hold your ankle, breathe in, lift your chin up, chest up and thigh up in the air and stay there. Slowly can go down. If you can't able to hold your ankle, you can again hold your pants, breathe in and again lift your upper body and lower body and stay there.